In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot in Finance to completely reimagine your workday. We'll walk through a simple workflow that helps you analyze financial data, draft a report, build a presentation, and prepare for a meeting more efficiently using the Microsoft 365 apps you may already use every day. To get started, open Excel and select the table of financial data you want to analyze. Once your data is highlighted, go to the Home ribbon and click the Copilot icon. This opens the Assistant panel on the right side of your screen. Starting in Excel is a great first step because it gives Copilot a clear view of the data you want it to work with, which helps you get more relevant and useful results. Next, type a prompt asking Copilot for insights. For example, you can ask it to highlight the top 3 expense drivers for the last quarter. After Copilot generates its response, take a moment to review the findings carefully and make sure they match the story your data is telling. If everything looks good, click Insert to place those insights directly into your workbook. This can save time and also make it easier to turn raw numbers into clear takeaways. After that, open Microsoft Word to draft a financial report. In Word, use Copilot to summarize your latest spreadsheet by entering a prompt that references your Excel file name and asks for a professional executive summary. This is especially helpful when you need to turn detailed analysis into a concise business update. As always, read through the summary and refine the wording if needed, so it matches your audience and reporting style. From there, open Microsoft PowerPoint to build a presentation for stakeholders. Click the Copilot icon and tell it to create a slide deck based on your Word report. Copilot can then generate slides and speaker notes automatically, giving you a strong first draft in much less time than building everything manually. This is useful when you need to move quickly from analysis to presentation without losing consistency across documents. Finally, open Microsoft Teams to prepare for your meeting. Ask Copilot to recap the action items and key financial questions from your recent chat threads so you can walk in fully prepared. This step helps you gather context quickly and makes it easier to focus on the discussion instead of searching through past messages. That's how you use Microsoft 365 Copilot to save time and streamline your daily finance tasks. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.